Hello, my name is Ruth Carter, and I'm a licensed attorney in Arizona. And this is your question of the day. So, somebody asked me, if I create an LLC for each of my businesses, should each of those LLCs have a different address? Okay, good question. So, you are somebody who has multiple companies, separate LLCs for each company. Do they have to have separate mailing addresses or not? In general, no. I've never heard of a state law that says every LLC must have a separate mailing address. So, because that would be weird. Like for example, where I work, we have one, two, three, four, five, at least six, maybe seven businesses that operate out of this office, and we all may use the mailing address where I'm sitting right now. So it wouldn't make sense to say that if you own multiple businesses, that you have to have separate addresses, and then also be in a situations where multiple businesses are in the same building and say, well, it's okay for you to have separate addresses because you're owned by different people. So I've never heard anything to the contrary. If you want to know for certain, you can probably give a call to your local Secretary of State's office or your corporation commission, whatever entity in your state determines and oversees LLC filings. But to my knowledge, it's perfectly fine for multiple LLCs, even if they're owned by the same person, to be housed out of the same address. So I hope that answers your question. Of course, watching this video does not create an attorney-client relationship with any viewer. It's merely legal information, not legal advice. If you need legal advice, go hire somebody. I put out new content every week, so please subscribe to the channel. And until then, I will catch up with you later. Take care.